Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to stop people tagging me on Facebook. So if you want to stop people tagging you on Facebook, keep watching the video till the end, and it should work on your iOS as well as Android device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Facebook apps. Then you have to click on three-line option at the top right corner. Then you will see the setting and privacy option. From here you have to click on settings. Then you have to scroll down. Then you will get the timeline and tagging option. You have to click on this option. Then this page will appear. From here you have to check first who can tag you. So you have to click on this option. From here now it's friends of friends. So if you want to protect, and then you have to see more option. From here you have to enable the only me option. Okay, then only you can directly tag on your timeline. After that you have to check the review option. From here in the review, tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. It means before appearing on Facebook it will want your permission. Presently it's off, and the below case this is also off. You have to on it. Then for doing it you have to click on this option. Then tag review option is off now, so you have to on it. Then if anyone tag you, firstly it will appear, it will want your permission to add that post in your timeline. Same way you have to on this option, review post you are tagged in before the post appear on your timeline, so you have to on it. After that, if anyone tag you, then it will appear in your notification option that anyone can tag you. From here if you wish you can enable that post. So that's it. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.